How to create a Wattpad account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can go ahead and create an account on Wattpad. You can do this on your web browser if you're using your laptop but in the case if you're using your mobile device, you need to go ahead, use your Google Play Store or App Store to download the Wattpad application, and then you can create an account over there as well. But if you're using your Chrome version, you need to go ahead, launch it, and search for Wattpad. Or you can also go to wattpad.com, go to its official website, and there you'll see the option of login and sign up in the top right corner of your screen. In order to create an account, you need to go ahead and tap on sign up. Now you'll get three different options as sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or you can also manually go ahead and sign up with your email address. Let's go ahead and choose Google account. Select the Google account that you want to sign up or create an account with, and then tap on continue. The page will be refreshed and your Wattpad account will be created successfully. But before that, you need to enter your username. Then after, enter your birth date. You can also set your pronouns, but it's optional. Read and accept the terms and conditions, and then tap on sign up, which is highlighted in black color. Now select your 3 favorite genres to read. You can see that I have successfully created my account. Now you can go ahead and select any one of the stories and start reading it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.